time.
Don't give me no trouble now.
None at all.
I run you down all day with my machete if I know all your blood clot. Hold on. Go now, you know it too.
Bye!
Radam. Yeah. You know it says a Peanut Dread video from you hear the sound. No long talking. We'll get right into it because Peanut Dread gonna make me laugh and some of you gonna cry. Watch this.
Both man and own man come from the man. So tell me if the man no God. And the man carry the baby from him born. The woman only carry it for 9 months. But from the man born, him a carry it 9 back. Until he show it into the woman only carry it for 9 months. Look into that. Eh?
Yes, look into that. Man a lion. Woman a lioness. You hear Peanut Dread say? Okay. I'll be a peanut juice, Peanut Dread drinking up. I wonder how much kids Peanut have. But anyways, look into that. Moving forward.
Are you back and look for?
Me?
Yeah.
Say what?
But just a walk, I come down and tell you if you have money right now, you can give me one for the road.
Here and oh my God.
I love you, man.
Hold on. You come to rob me.
No, man. You don't want me hungry.
You hungry?
You don't know me tell a lie.
When me hungry, me know me for go find something to eat. How you hungry? You not go find nothing to eat.
Sorry.
And me I tell about you're hungry. Me cannot eat for you.
One lady outside money coming out.
Say what?
She said, I'm sure to send the money. The rest will come back. I do video.
What you really doing?
I said, they drop the line, you know.
You know me I'm going to report you now on a station.
Why?
You to go to prison.
Me?
That's what I'm saying.
Everybody know my mother, so.
You come to trouble me head or what?
No.
You is a heartless woman.
I'm a nice stomach.
You wasting time, yeah? Yeah.
Lady, you can't get $1 out of Peanut Dread. Never. Peanut Dread like one of them rasta that were mean with money. Or he could be the opposite. You can't sound crutches go give him. And the floodgates of money open. I don't know. But the mix are bad. The mix are very, very bad. One more Peanut Dread. We're moving forward.
We are in captivity, we are in bondage. Me no want a money machine, woman no want a money machine. Me want money, woman want money. I don't sorry for no bumbo clot or not this in a boy. I have prison me there, you know. Me can only respond to me bumbo clot help in a prison, you know. Take up responsibility, you know. So you know a blood clot idiot. You have money machine, me figure walk. Last labor energy and come with money 3-4 months full. And me figure walk, hey, you know, a idiot, you know. I made them plan for blood clot kill. I may sit down and surrender to that. And while me I go work last energy for money, me have to fuck in the main. You think for man to carry the work, boy? Come on, lay down on him back, give me them the hard bumbo clot work for do. When me don't do the hard work, worse me do my job good and nothing. I don't have my pocket enough for dead, you know.
So we not forget woman money.
Yo, oh glad. I didn't even watch this video. And when me say that previous video, Peanut Dread like a man we don't even give woman money. Here man say woman go work, him go work, and when him put in the work sexually, him supposed to get paid. Cause yo, what's he do the work good? And him have to go in a film pocket and give you money. Man, hey Peanut Dread, it's easy, you know. But moving forward still.
Coming out the back and fuck the man.
Yeah, man.
You me bumbo clot to keep for me.
Yeah.
So I'm ready for?
Send on.
You have to spend the time.
Don't give me no trouble now.
None at
I
all.
run you down all day with my machete if I know all your blood clot. Hold on. Go now, you know it too.
Bye! Fuck that deal.
I'm ready for blood clot broke, you know.
You think that's joking? Yeah, man.
I'm sure my boy look on me would to kill you. Where are you, woman? You know, she.
What? But Peanut Dread a bad man. Hey Peanut Dread, careful in man. Careful in a Peanut Dread. Careful. We said I go to prison in a Peanut Dread. What mean I run down man we lost? Bojo, this thing one hit song. Girl, me serious. You have to get it tonight. Have to get your body on a my gun pint. Jamaica have a serious issue, you know. Yeah, man. Me remember growing up to Rati class and reach high school and them me say, no mean yes and yes mean yes. When we a big girl front or we and a girl in our private enclosement. Brother, me never depend that from me a little boy until now. Yeah man, call me soft baby. If you are going there and say no, me not push cause you not gonna put no allegation for me. But anyways, you know what's a joke Peanut Dread that makes still. So we moving forward.
The push now. the mangoes, you know. You see how the two of them favor? Good. Rabbit and the puss favor. And the puss now make the rabbit, you know. Not at all. You know, say the dog now, the goat need that. Now, your sister then tribe up, right? The goat now, bag, you know. Keep down buckle, and the donkey now, the cow, you know. Then keep them tribe. You hear me one now? Yes. And then, you know what? Human being curse. Human being are the worstest one. He f the hog, he f the cow, he f the donkey, he f the goat, he f mouth, he f body, he f pussy. What a dangerous animal. Me say that bitch. Me say a sinner.
Yo. Me know say the part of the video gonna give me a hard time for edit. A heap of F-bomb the man dropping as a video to reality. Right now me stress out me I record this. Anyways. I don't lie myself. Mankind always a trouble when they don't supposed to trouble. But moving forward, Peanut Dread.
Peanut Dread na Techna Box.
Peanut Dread, I walk there.
You want police jeep drive up
Oh, so you're telling farmer. Peanut Dread, everyone will go to see you. Where you live?
over Reddy's Road and me live, sir.
You believe him, Scotty? I like my telling him.
By the way, sir, please.
Hey, box here, boy.
Me can't do that, you know, sir.
Officer, what that?
If me box him when no gone, then me turn down for me, no man.
Oh, you're my boss. Box him, ask him what I'm doing. A hard box.
Peanut Dread, just cool them. I could eat and get rid of them. Peanut Dread, what that?
Fuck are you?
What that Peanut Dread?
You think me never take it? Yes, man. Can you see police there?
Alright, it's a big one.
You come back me.
Peanut Dread not take no box for no boy, no man, no girl, no goat, no cow, no hog. Anyways, the piece of skit that is nice and the piece of video nice. Me not tell lie, video in Peanut Dread. And then my old Peanut Dread videos now. Remember if you go check out the new Peanut Dread videos in YouTube. But anyways, do me a favor. Damn, if you got to tell me I make live video if you like the video. But yeah, like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell when you do so. Leave a comment in the comment section below and share this video with your friends, your family, and the dirty nasty ex where you have. God bless.